All right, my friends, we're talking about this graph, this behemoth for a lot of Algebra 1 students. It looks like a lot of things are going on for number 12 from our, for number 15 of our study guide. If we look over here, we're just saying the first part. Let's go ahead and start with the first part, and I'm even going to say that each of these are separate questions. So number 1 is f of 2. It says to evaluate. You may be going, Ms. Norman, I don't have anything to plug it into. I don't have a function. Why does it say to evaluate? I don't have an equation is what I really mean. I don't have an equation. However, we have a graph, which means we're plugging 2 in. What is our 2 value? Please let me know. Is it our input or our output? Is it x or is it y? It is my x value. So I'm looking at 2 where x is 2. Please don't look at my graph as it's not scaled. Just take it as it is. So we're looking at 2. Is there a point at 2? Yes, there is. I go up. I look at it at 6. So f of 2, remember that f of x is my y value. So my y value here is 6. That's all we're looking for. We're done. Now it's number 2. F of 0, I go to 0. Is there a point at 0? Yes, there is. It's at 4. My answer is 4. We're done. No problema. Find values of x. If f of x is equal to 10, remember f of x is what? It's fancy for what letter? It's fancy for my output, which is my y. Then what is x? That means I'm going to be working backwards here. That means I'm going to be looking at where 10 is, instead looking at a point. And remember, I'm looking at my y value. So I'm looking at my up and down axis. I'm looking at my y axis here. This is my f of x. Well, this is just my x. So for my f of x, it's equal to 10. So I go to 10. I look at my point. It's at negative 2. We're done. At f of x is equal to 2. So that's over here. I look over. I go to the point that it's at. My x value there is 3. We're done. It's really not that bad. If it is bad, please let me know. We can work on it. Thank you. Bye-bye.